Do you want to easily upload and share files on Google Drive? Whether it's photos, videos, or documents, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. Google Drive is a cloud storage service that lets you store and share files securely. All you need is a Google account to get started. Ready? Let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to Google Apps, and then click Drive. To upload a file on desktop, click the New button in the top left corner. Then select File Upload. Choose the file you want to upload, and it will start uploading immediately. Now, let's share a file or folder. Right-click on the file or folder, then click Share. Add the email addresses of the people you want to share it with. Else, you can share a link. Right-click the file, select Share, then click Copy Link. Choose the access level like viewer or editor and share the link with anyone. And that's it. Now you know how to upload, organize, and share files using Google Drive. It's simple, secure, and super convenient. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. See you next time!